Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs, and yes, you guys, I just shared with you guys a Dollar Tree haul. Now I'm gonna share with you guys an eBay haul. These are things that arrived today. I still have more things on the way, so be on the lookout for those. This is gonna be strictly stamps, so if you're into stamps, then definitely stay tuned and check this out. These are all gonna be from the same seller, and these are all from eBay, and I'll tell you the prices. But the seller that I purchased this from is called Electronics from 2016. So part of my chicken scratch, but that's what it is. Electronics from 2016, one word. And let's start sharing. So I'm gonna bring my little piece of cardstock here, and hopefully you'll be able to see them. And I got this one for $1.02. I think it's super cute. She's like she's kind of like a fairy, but she doesn't have fairy ears, or an elf. I think she might be kind of like an elf, but super cute. It says, "You are my fairy tale. You are beautiful and magic story," and $1.02 for this beauty. Let me see if I can get this thing to autofocus. Let's see. Get it to focus. Focus. Let's see. There we go. So I got this one, $1.02. I think she's absolutely adorable. And I'm sorry about the glare. I'm just gonna put them up like this. I got this one. It's got a clock, a crown, and it says time is a great storyteller, a flower, and a butterfly. There we go. Super cute. And I got this one for $1.04. And a really nice size too. The stamps are, I mean, you can see my finger. It's a pretty decent size for each of the stamps. So super cute. Let's see. I got another cute girl. This one was $1.17, and she's holding a birdie in her hands, but you can't see it because of the little label. Sorry about the glare. And it says "Make a Wish" and "My Princess," and it's got another beautiful flower there. And I just think she's absolutely adorable. The next one that I'm going to share with you guys cost me 17 cents, and I think I'm going to have to take this one out because it's actually covering. There we go. So this one costed me 97 cents for this one. And it says "Send love to you," and it's got a beautiful coffee cup. I love that teacup. It says, let's see, "Sweet to sweet, hugs and kisses," and it's got another beautiful flower. So great for watercoloring. Absolutely gorgeous. The next one is $1.07, and I'm gonna have to take this one out of the bag too. And it's circus themed. Just thought it was super adorable. I love the little tent and the little elephant. And it says "Focus Pocus." I have no idea what that means when it comes to this theme. It's got a ticket, a circus ticket, admit one. So super cute. Let's see. I'm trying to get the glitter out of you guys' eyes. There we go. This one is absolutely gorgeous. And this one cost me $1.62. And I mean, amazing size. Beautiful size. I'm trying to get the glare out. There we go. It's got a beautiful teapot, a really cute birdie. It says "Little birds hold me." It says "Happy birthday, it's your anniversary, get well soon, Mother's Day, and RSVP." So you can use this for many different things. It says "You're invited with love, just for you," a little tea bag, another cute little tea bag. It's got a little macaroon, I think is what it's called, but super cute. And I love the, I mean, the size of that teacup. I mean, that teapot is nice and big, you guys. This will be perfect for like a card. Let's see this one. This one cost me $2.14. Again, great size. $2.14. This one is more owl themed. And I'll just tell you what the word says. It's "Many thanks. So sweet of you, with heartfelt sympathy. Happy anniversary. Handmade with love." Definitely need that one. Get well soon. It says hello. Birthday wishes, best wishes to you from all of us, especially for you, Ho. Oh my, for you, who? Okay. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna edit this, you guys. I'm just gonna let her fly. Jeez Louise. So super cute. I love the butterflies. It's got some cute little butterflies. It's got some really pretty owls right there stacked on the top of the other. Here it's got a little row of owls. Little birdhouse with an owl in it. So hopefully you guys can see that nicely and there's not too much glare and light in your, reflecting off of it. So super sweet. The next one is a sea themed one, and this one was $1.35. And again, these were all from the same seller. This one's got a lot of cute little details on it. And it says, I'll be your anchor. I'd swim oceans for you, and hello, friends. It's got the seahorse and, little seashells and just a whole bunch of cute little nautical related things on it. I love the mermaid. I love mermaids. I love all things that are kind of I love everything. Let's just cut straight to the chase. I love this one too. This one was $1.02, you guys. And I love that clock, and I love the font that it's got some scripting on the bottom, and it says "Moment of Happiness." Oops, can't see it there, you guys. There we go. And I'm trying to get the glare out of it. There we go. So super adorable clock on that one, you guys. Super, super adorable. If you guys can catch the detail on that. Super, super cute. We're almost there, you guys. So I got another one that is kind of circusy, but not so much circusy. It says vintage bicycles. This is more bicycles and stuff like that related. And it says gentleman bicycles and premium quality. So super cute on that one as well. And this one again was $1.17 if I didn't say the price. The next one is all script and it's $1.31, and it's almost legible, you guys. It's almost legible, almost. But a nice size script stamp. I only had the one other script stamp that was full like this, so really nice to have another one into the collection. And then the last one, you guys, is this one right here, and this is definitely a mixed media type of stamp. I mean, it's got all different, these are all separated stamps, and I paid $1.98 for this one, but well worth it. It's got all kinds of awesome patterns and designs. Love this cluster of bubbles here, the little ink blots, the little swirls, more dots and stuff here. I mean, super, super cool. Lots of awesome detail on this one. And that concludes my haul for eBay for this seller, electronics from 2006 on eBay. If you haven't checked out my other haul, then please do. I have some awesome, awesome vintage slash steampunkish type stamps. And I also have some craft dies and girl stamps that go with the craft dies as well. So if you haven't checked that out, then definitely go and check that out. I will be having more stuff coming your way when it comes to these eBay hauls, so definitely be on the lookout for those. If you like these kinds of things, then definitely don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. If you like the video, thumbs up. And if you want to leave me a comment, if you know of a good seller on eBay that has like really, really awesome, prices and stuff like that, you don't necessarily need to leave me the link, but definitely you could drop me the name of the seller down below. I would really appreciate that. And on to the next one, you guys. Have a good one. Bye.